Hello, American government. Welcome to day 7. We have 5 more days of class left. Please make sure that you're keeping up with the assignments because next week you're going to have your final paragraph, and today's assignments are going to help you. Our objective is that you're going to analyze current events articles, looking for how governments secure the rights to life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. And our language objective is that you're going to read articles and mark the text for who, when, where, and the impact. Okay. To get started, I want you to answer this question in your Edpuzzle. What does the pursuit of happiness mean to you? What is your dream in life? You have your sentence starters here. My dream is to, tell me what your dream is. To me, happiness means, what does it mean to you? I am pursuing, what are you trying to do? Okay, if you can answer it in your Edpuzzle. Okay, next, we're going to read articles starting today, and then you're going to have another article next week. When you're reading your article, I want you to think about these focus questions. 1, who is involved? When did the important events happen? Where do the events happen? What is the impact? Why is it important? And this one is the most important one. Which inalienable rights are involved in this article? Try to find as many inalienable rights as you can. Okay. Remember, their life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness are the 3 inalienable rights. Okay, so here is an example, and you're going to be reading this article. And this is how I'm gonna show you how not to do it. So this is how you should not do it, and then I'll show you how you should do it. Okay. So this is the article. Maria Arias, 14, is so bright and chatty that her classmates call her Wikipedia. Her mother says she goes to high school almost every day, but Maria can't say the same for her teachers. These days, she just wants at least one of them to show up for class. You risk your life to be here, and you end up waiting around for hours doing nothing, Maria said. But you have to keep coming because it's the only way out. Venezuela's government is currently facing huge money problems. Its people are having to deal with rising crime, but the South American country's struggles have really hurt its schools. The government has canceled 16 school days since December. Now I'm going to show you how you should mark it. I'm going to ask you to stop every page so that you can mark the text for the questions. Okay? So here's one person who did it. They highlighted things that they thought was important, but there's no written words. This can't tell you what you are thinking as you're reading, and they just highlight it only. You don't want to do that. Don't do that, please. Everyone has been doing a great job highlighting, so make sure you keep highlighting and adding comments. Okay. So here would be an example. This person added a comment. They wrote who because it helps them answer who is involved. It's high school students. Here they highlighted teachers, okay, because it gives them information about the who and the impact. Okay, teachers don't come to work. That's the who, and it's the impact. Teachers is who, and the teachers don't come to work is the impact. Okay, they highlighted this section where this is taking place in Venezuela, which is in South America. Money problems, that helps them answer the question about impact. The government doesn't have money for schools. Okay, so see here they added comments, the who, where, and impact. Okay, you're looking for the 4 questions that I outlined for you, and the most important question is what connections can you make to the inalienable rights? This is how you want to do it. Yes. Okay. So for assignment number 16, you're going to read an article about Venezuela, and you're thinking about whether they are protecting inalienable rights. I want you to stop every page to mark the text. Okay. You can answer the question in the document, or you can add a comment like I showed you. You need to answer the questions. Who is involved in that page? When did the important events happen in that page? Where do the events happen in that page? What is the impact of what happened in that page? And the last question is the most important because this is going to be what you're going to write a paragraph about using the article. Which inalienable rights are involved in this article and how. Okay, so make sure you spend time finding as many inalienable rights as possible. Okay, the last thing that I want you to do is answer either of the following questions with a full sentence. Use the sentence starters to write your topic sentence. Okay, how does the government protect people's rights? Or how does the government fail to protect people's rights? And you have your sentence starters here. The government in blank, here you write the place. What country are you talking about? Does or does not protect whose rights? Okay, so I could say the government in the United States does not protect people of color's right to pursuit of happiness because there is a lot of inequality. Okay, so the government is where it's taking place, and this is who is involved in that place. Here, you choose one right you want to focus on: life, liberty, or pursuit of happiness, and then you tell me why. Okay, and you'll do the same thing here. This is the same thing. Okay, if you have questions, please send me a message.